Hi guys, I've just been out in the garden, or in the shed anyway, and picked up these two solar items that haven't been used for a year or two. That is just ordinary, that is just an ordinary string of solar lights. Pretty filthy, and I expect the batteries in it are probably pretty dead. But we'll clean that up and see if we can charge the batteries and see if that works. So we'll put that to one side. This one was in a solar lit plant pot. Looked a little bit like that waste bin, very similar. The lights were in the base. Batteries in there. Solar panel is one that I replaced a few years ago because the original had died. I've no idea if that one's any good now because it's been out. It looks pretty frosty. The on-off switch is definitely rusty. I think we can tell that. But that one, it cycles through red, blue, green. Obviously, that's the chip that does the work. That says H4706 or 8 on it, I think. Oh, H4709. I had to cut the wires off it to get it out of the original plant pot, but they are coloured, so we can put them back on again the right way round. So we'll have a look at both of these, see if we can get them working. It would be nice if we can get this one working, but I'm not quite sure what I'll do with it. I don't know how many batteries it actually takes, whether it's one or more than one. I'm guessing. Certainly two I can see in there. Anyway, we'll have a look, see what we can do. Good morning, guys. This panel seemed to work last night, or at least it seemed to have charged enough, charged the batteries up well enough for the LED light show to work. We didn't get much sun yesterday, so I did have to boost it using spotlights. So that may not have been a fair test, but either way, I've repaired or replaced the metal contacts in the battery box. So I'm going to put those batteries in there and then wire this up to the circuit board and see if it will work off that panel fitted on the front there. Well, we've had an hour or so of bright sunshine. It's gone behind the clouds now. But if I pick this up and walk with it into the dark, there we go. See the lights coming on. We go to a nice dark place where it makes it even easier to see. That looks to me like a success. And that was only a few minutes in bright sunshine. I'm pleased with that. Where was the on-off switch? That side. Yep, on-off switch works. So all I need to do now is decide whether I actually want to put this outdoors. Right, this one, 3 nickel metal hydride batteries. And a circuit board. On-off switch, yeah, very rusty. But I expect we can bypass that. What I will do is I'll take these in, take them into the other room where I've got a nickel metal hydride charger, and charge them up and see if we can get some power into them. I think these are ones that I actually bought anyway to replace the ones that were in there, because they look in relatively good condition. So yeah, I'll go and put them on charge and we'll see what we can do. That doesn't look very healthy. And that on-off switch is definitely past it. Voiceover time again. I forgot to switch the wireless microphone back on. What I'm demonstrating here is I've put ordinary AA batteries in there, and it looks like there's no power coming from the solar panel. As soon as light hits that solar panel, those LEDs should be switching off, but they're not. So clearly either the solar panel is faulty or the wiring to it is faulty, or maybe the electric circuit is faulty. But either way, that's not working. And I think that's as far as we'll go today. We might do some more work on it another day. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.